Hello folks, welcome back. Today I'd like to show you this little 0.8cc frog. It's made in 1957 and it's nothing special, but it has some special features. For example, it has a steel contra piston, not a cast iron but a steel one with a silicone O-ring of seal ring. Another special thing on this engine is also the cooling ribs are turned into the steel hardened cylinder, so it's not from alloy. It weighs about 54 grams and a very low fuel economy, and it's like all frog engines, very nice castings. Very lot of details, but looks very nice. Also special is maybe only 2 screws for the cylinder. So this is actually almost a new engine. It's actually untouched and it's more than 50 years old, but it's really in very good condition and turns very smooth, like at a ball bearing version, very nicely. So let's go out and try to start him. Hello folks, welcome back. A new audition of another engine. This is the Frog 0.8cc. It's actually almost new engine when I bought it on eBay. Nothing wrong, nothing damaged, great compression, and all it feels like it's a ball bearing. It's so smooth turning. It's a very great little engine. So I try to start him for you now. I don't know about the settings, I must just find out myself now a little bit. But the force is very smooth. Okay, more fuel. Already too much. Far too much. Yeah, I floated him. A lot. Coming. Oh, too much. Okay, let's try the restart. Screw. little screamer. The prop is a 6x7, oh sorry, 7x4, so it's far too big for him. But it's no problem for him, you really take him with pleasure. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Till the next one, bye.